Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing on the important questions on vitamin E. Don't forget to click on subscribe if you want more weekly videos. So let's start with it. So the most important question of vitamin E is explain the biochemical function of vitamin E. So let's discuss about that. So when you are reading about vitamin E, you should know its active form. The active form of vitamin E is tocopherol. This tocopherol has got types of tocopherol. In that, the alpha tocopherol is the most active form of the vitamin E. So let's move on with the biochemical function. Now in biochemical function of vitamin E, this vitamin E is acting as a antioxidant. Okay, so the first important types will be antioxidant. Now it is going to maintain the integrity of the cell membrane. Okay, that is in RBC it is going to prevent the hemolysis. Okay, so it maintains the integrity of the cell membrane, that is in the RBC it is going to prevent hemolysis. Okay, next what happens is the PUFA. So it is going to protect the PUFA, that is the polyunsaturated fatty acids, from peroxidation. Okay, so it is going to protect PUFA from peroxidation. That is going to be the first line of defense. Okay, that is the first line of defense. Okay, so this PUFA, it is present in the cellular and subcellular membrane, okay, of phospholipids. So you need to know this. So this PUFA, it is present in the cellular and subcellular membrane of the phospholipids, right? Of what? It can be either of mitochondria, it can be either of endoplasmic reticulum, it can be either of plasma membrane, okay, etc. So I am saying this PUFA is present in the cellular and subcellular membrane of the phospholipids, that is the phospholipids present in the endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and the plasma membranes. Okay, so this is about the PUFA. Now one more point regarding antioxidant is, so this antioxidant action, it will be effective during high oxygen concentration. So this you have to note down. So it is effective, the antioxidant action will be effective during high oxygen concentration. This point we have to know. Okay, so this is about the antioxidant, right? So the next important point is it is going to maintain the germinal epithelium. Okay, it is going to maintain the germinal epithelium, right? Next important point is it is going to increase the synthesis of heme, right? It is going to increase the synthesis of heme, right? And then it is hepatoprotective. Okay, so the meaning itself is there. It is hepatoprotective. Okay, and also it will delay the onset of cataract. Okay, along with vitamin A and vitamin C. So actually this vitamin A is present in the retina also, and is going to prevent the free radical damage. So this is how it is going to delay the onset of cataract along with vitamin A and vitamin C. And it is also prevents cardiovascular disease. Okay, disease. Okay, it is going to prevent the cardiovascular disease, right? And the most important point you have to remember, that is the selenium. Okay, so this selenium will be acting synergistically with vitamin E. Okay, how? Now remember, this selenium is present in the glutathione peroxidase. Okay, so I am saying where it is present. So it is present in the glutathione peroxidase, which is the second line of defense. Okay, this is the second line of defense. So what is this requirement? Okay, so it is required for the normal pancreatic function. Okay, so I am writing, it is required for the normal pancreatic function, like that is, it helps in the digestion and absorption of vitamin E. So it's going to help in the digestion and absorption of vitamin E. So I can say that this selenium will decrease the requirement of vitamin E, right? So they are saying if the body needs vitamin E or not, but you need selenium. Why? Because this selenium is going to act on the pancreatic function, which helps in digestion and absorption of vitamin E. So it is going to decrease the requirement of vitamin E. So this is about the biochemical function of vitamin E. Hope you like it. So if you have any doubts, or if you have any kind of, if you need any kind of help, please do comment in the comment box, and I'm there to help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.